Alright, it's been a while, but I'm gonna do some blacksmithing stuff, alright? Since we are in an area full of horse stuff, I'm gonna be a farrier. How's that? Sounds good, right? So let's get to it. Heat it up here. Slowly but surely it's starting to heat up. We'll see. First attempt. Not bad. Still, not the best. You know. Yeah. We learned that you need to have experience, you need to have the right tools, and you need to have longevity if you're going to do this. All things that I can do, I can get. I never said I was Mr. Man at it.